Last year we told you about UK-based Planet Computers and their big communication device, the Gemini PDA, and it's actually done well. They shipped out units, started direct sales, and now they're on their next device, and it's meant to be more than a communicator. Reporting from Barcelona at MWC, I'm Jaime Rivera with Jules Wong on camera. This is the Cosmo. Over $1 million of crowdfunded money went into the Gemini last year, and over $1 million backers' money has brought the Cosmo communicator to life. So what has that money brought so far in the prototyping stage? The Cosmo looks quite a lot like the Gemini in shape, but you'll notice a few things different from the start. There's a 2-inch Amoled touchscreen that gives users a quick way to handle text and emails. It's a smaller version of an always-on display, which we think is pretty nifty. Now that explains those other ports. Well, there's a 24-megapixel camera on this end and a fingerprint sensor on the other. Why have it in such an impractical place? Well, Planet is actually planning on placing this pad on top of a rocker switch. It can be used as a shutter button for the camera, among many other things. The potential is there, and we hope the company uses it. On the flip side and the inside lies the same keyboard layout, but now backlit for that extra touch. While we do see Android Nougat on this test unit, the Cosmo will end up launching with Pi, with features to better integrate with landscape mode as well as more keyboard shortcuts. Specifications include a MediaTek Helio P70 chipset, 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage with an expandable microSD slot. And we've got two USB-C ports and a 2x1 1080p display and a 4220 mAh battery. It's got stereo speakers, a headphone jack, and a voice assistant button too. You can reserve your unit today on Indiegogo for $569. Shipping will begin around early Q3. Check into the link in the description below for more details, and in the meantime, make sure you follow the rest of our content from MWC 2019. You can follow us on social media, subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.